So in this video, we'll be discussing about one of the most important feature of a Multivendor Marketplace, that is shipping. So we have a dedicated feature app known as shipping, which allows sellers to set up their own shipping rates. So as an admin, if you install our Multivendor Marketplace on your Shopify store, your shipping rates will be calculated on all the products based on the shipping profile you have set up on Shopify end. So let's see that. This is a Shopify backend of the admin. So you can see the shipping rates under shipping and delivery. So as a default, when you install our app, these rates will be shown on every product as set up in this profile, general shipping rates profile. So let's show you that as well. So as set up over here. So if you want as an admin to allow your sellers to set up their own shipping rates, then you need to use our feature app known as shipping. So this is the admin panel of our Multivendor Marketplace. Go in the feature app section. So here it is. You need to enable this feature app shipping. So few things we need to consider before enabling, that this shipping feature is only for Multivendor Pro plan. It only works on Multivendor Pro plan. Apart from that, your Shopify should have real-time carrier calculated shipping. This feature is already there on Shopify Plus and Shopify Advanced plan, but in order to have this on Shopify Basic Shopify plan and on Shopify plan, you need to contact Shopify support. So all these things we have mentioned in our guide, which we will link in the description. Once done, you need to go in the configuration. From configuration menu, just go in Marketplace Shipping Configuration. Here we will be configuring all the settings. In this video particularly, we'll be discussing about the country-wise shipping. We have 3 types of shipping available in our feature app, which is country-wise, zone-wise and postcode-wise. So you need to enable the country-wise shipping type if your sellers have different rates for each countries. If your sellers have fixed rate for different countries, then you can go with zone-wise. If you want to allow your sellers to set up the rates by postcode wise, then you can go with the postcode wise shipping type. Then here we have the single and multiple shipping. This enables your sellers to use single and multiple shipping, so that the customer can just see on the checkout page or on a product page to choose between, if your seller is using a multiple shipping, they can choose between the shippings available to them. So whichever shippings they find best, they can go with that. So let's configure this now. So before configuring all this in setting, we need to configure one thing on Shopify and as well. Let's go in shipping and delivery. Let's go in the shipping profile. So we need to set up this carrier and app rates. We need to set up this, that the rate should be calculated from the third-party apps. So we need to set up this on our shipping profile on admin Shopify end. Once done, come back to the admin panel now. So here are the settings. So in this video, we already told you that this video is regarding country-wise shipping. So we will configure accordingly. So here is the shipping status. You can just disable it if you don't want to show it to the sellers. Now we have the range details. So this feature will enable your seller to set up their own ranges. If you want as an admin that you should set up the range, then you can disable this feature. Then we have a label. This will be shown to the seller on a seller end. Then we have the single shipping and multiple shipping. So in this video, first we will go with single shipping and then we will be going with country-wise multiple shipping. So single shipping and then here country-wise. We have this feature, shipping available if any one seller ship to destination, shipping available if all sellers ship to destination. Then we have this feature, shipping cost calculation out of defined range. So once enabled, no shipping cost is calculated if the order amount doesn't fall in between the defined shipping range. We have flat shipping feature. So once enabled, it will allow you to set a fixed shipping cost if the cost price attain a set value. Then you can enable the shipping for all sellers with this feature. Then we have a shipping calculator which you can enable on the basis of all countries and on the basis of specific countries. And here are some codes that you need to put. You can show this on the cart page. You need to copy and paste it, the code as per the instruction given over here. Once done, save it. Now coming back to the configuration, let's go in shipping methods. So here you can see the marketplace shipping. It's country wise and our sellers, number of sellers it's assigned to. Now in order to implement this on a seller end, let's go in a seller panel. So this is one of our seller of our marketplace. So let's go in configuration, click on shipping configuration. You can see over here that one shipping name is over here with name anywhere in SA that we have labeled in our admin end. Let's set up now. Click on view shipping. So first we have to set up the range. Let's set up the range. Let's set up from 1 to 10. Then let's set up from 11 to 100. Save it. So you can set up the range on the basis of price and weight both. So we are setting up on the basis of price. It's on the basis of price or weight. So you need to be very clear with this. So let's do it 101 to 1000. Now come back to, it's done now. So the shipping ranges are being set. Let's see the shipping now. Let's set up the country. You can set up country wise. Let's set up for United States. So you can see all the states over here. So you can set up the pricing as per the states and as per the range. So I'm just configuring once for all. You can set up differently for each state. Even you can disable the status if you don't want to deliver over there. So let's save it. Once done, the shipping is set up. So on a seller end, the country wise plus single shipping is done. So all the products of the seller will have the rates set up by the seller. Now coming back to the admin panel for multiple shipping. So again, go in the configuration section, go in the marketplace configuration. Let's make it multiple shipping. So this should be multiple shipping, as we told you earlier, that it will give an option to a customer to choose between different shipping options available. So which you can show on checkout or on a product page. For now, we'll go in for a checkout. Let's save it. Okay, so now we need to go in methods again. In order to add multiple shipping methods as an admin, you just need to click on add shipping method. Just click on that. Just name it like marketplace shipping method 2. Save it. And let's enable it. So this will be, let's click on edit. This will be shown to the seller end as well. Now sellers can just choose between, you can create n number of shipping methods as per requirement. So you can see over here we have already set up 2 methods country wise. Let's go in the seller panel once again. Let's refresh it. Let's go in shipping configuration. You can see over here we have 2 options available. You can provide from admin end, you can enable multiple shipping methods. So let's get back to the seller panel once again. So here we need to enable this one. Once enabled, So 2 shipping methods will be available for your on your seller panel. So while creating a product, go in the product listing. Let's create some product. You can see over here, you have 2 multiple shippings available. So if you want to show both, then you can select both. If you want to show one of them to the customer, then you can select that as per your requirement. Hope this is clear. If you have any query, then you can just mail us. We have a ticket system as well. We have a live chat support as well, or you can just directly mail it at support@webkul.com.